What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with the M3, and then today we're going to be working on getting that dent out, and then sealing the bumper, and then sealing that dent. Hopefully we'll get to Bondo it today, but yeah, let's go back there and see how we're doing. Alright, so this is the progress so far. We got it mostly straightened out, considering how it was completely in there. We got the lines to align, and then it's pretty much ready for Bondo. Obviously, you won't be able to get it perfect, but mostly what we use is just, you know, a old hammer and a chisel, screwdrivers and stuff like that. I drilled a few holes and used one of those like swinging hammers to get it like decently straightened out, and then just fine-tuned it with this. And then I'm gonna be bondoing right now, so yeah, let's do a time lapse of how we're doing it. So this is the Bondo that I got. They said it's pretty good, and I don't think I'm gonna need a lot. You know, it's not really a big area, so you know, it's that good old Napa stuff. Then I got some 600 grit to sand this area down so the Bondo can grasp, and then I'll be sealing it, and then we'll go from there. Aaron here, he's helping me out here today. About this, I took off the bumper, obviously. We're gonna start sanding this down before we Bondo it. Looks pretty good. We're gonna be back when we start sanding, so time lapse. Alright, so I just degreased the car, and now I'm going to start mixing up some Bondo, and then we're going to start applying that slowly to the car, and then wait for it to dry, sand it down, make it follow the shape of the car. Then we'll be doing prep work for paint. Alright guys, so I got the second coat down on here, started sanding it already. It's coming out really straight. I already got the line down here pretty even. I just have to round it to make it more, you know, obviously aesthetic with the car. But still have to do more Bondo on this side, so I'm going to be mixing up more Bondo, doing the third coat, and hopefully I'll be done pretty soon. Let's get back to it then. Alright, so just so everybody knows too, is like I'm not putting a lot of Bondo. Like, I mean, I'm doing a bunch of coats, but each I put on coat, I wait for it to dry, I sand most of it down to get that, like, that curve. It takes like a lot of Bondo. So it's not like there's the whole packet on there. Most of it's on the ground, sanded down. So it's hard, but I'm sure people that do body work will understand that, yeah, it takes a lot of, you know, sanding and time. That's why, like, there's probably going to be a lot of time lapse in this video, not a lot of talking, because it's really self-explanatory. Like, all you do is just slap on Bondo, dry it, sand it, you know, in the same process until you get the perfect edge you want. Yeah, so we got it mostly sanded down. It's pretty smooth. Just need to add some more on the bottom to get this edge really straight. Alright guys, so for today, I'm going to be wrapping it up. Got the rear quarter panel done, you know, got it as straight as I could. I didn't get to primer it today because I still didn't find the gun, spray gun, so I didn't get to the bumper and sand that down. But next episode, I am going to do the bumper, I am going to sand down the hood, and I'm going to paint the back. So all that's going to be next episode, and that should be out in next week. So, you know, ring that bell, subscribe, comment, like what you guys think it should do, and see you guys next time.